Okay, so we're now going to copy or edit in place first of all, and then I'll just highlight a few of these, and I will use the copy command and take it from one level up to the next. All right, so it saves you having to redraw the semicircle extrusion, etc. And now I will just isolate the first one. I will drag this one across just to get an idea of the position I want it in. All right, and I can see I've got 625, and we'll make that 50 to make it easy. And then this can be 6350. All right, so there we go. There's our first one. And then again, we will just grab each of these ones one in turn. So I know that was 6250, so it's going to be 7250 and 7350. But on the minus 7250 minus 7350, and that jumps over there. And that just fairly quickly ten 250 and minus 10 350. And you're getting the idea. And then again, if you need a few more, just do what we did last time. Use the copy command, click there, and then I need, say, I'll do another 2. There we go. Oop. And then click on that one, change that one to 12. Go. Click on this one, change it to 13. Oop, accidentally didn't create enough. Click, and change one of them back to 11. Bye. Okay, and then we'll finish that model. All right, so looking at that in 3D, we can see we've pretty good there now. So we've just got one more bit to do, the uprights on that section there. So we'll do that in the final video.